Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Wise application. So of course, and first of all, you'll need a Wise application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. So if you already have an account, ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch my Wise here. So of course, if you would like to change your phone number on Wise, all you need to do, just go into your account, which is on the bottom left right corner here. So just click on that. So after clicking on that, here you will find everything kind of you would like to know. So all you need to do here is just go scroll down on the account service sections and click on account details. So here of course just click on continue, because it gets account details from Wise. You'll just read this if you want. If you don't want, as we said, just click on continue. Here if you want, choose whatever you want. So or you can just ignore all of it and go back. So of course I just click here and go back. And then all you need to do, just go and type at the settings at the top right corner here at the settings icon, and here you will find your email settings. Of course, if you want to change your password, set 2 steps to log in or log out everywhere you want. If you keep scrolling down here, of course you will find the personal details. You can just go and click on that. Of course you would like here to enter your password, so let me just enter my password and go back to you. So here, after entering your password, you can edit your personal details. Here you'll find your phone number. Of course, if you want to change it, just do here whatever you want. Maybe if you change the country, or maybe just you change the number, then all you need to do, just go click on save. They will send you a code to check that if it's your real number. Then all you need to do, just type the code and you will be all done. Just go and click on save and you will be good to go. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.